Bible verses for encouraging. Deuteronomy 31:8. The Lord Himself goes before you. He will not fail thee, neither forsake thee. Before you arrive, God is already there, preparing the way. Explanation. This verse is Moses' final encouragement to Joshua before he takes leadership of Israel. The context matters. Joshua is about to do something terrifying. Lead a nation across a river into enemy territory. Key points. The Lord Himself goes before you. God isn't sending Joshua into the unknown alone. He goes first, clearing the path. God removes the obstacles we can't see through. Be strong and courageous. These aren't suggestions. They're commands rooted in a promise. You can be courageous because God has already gone ahead. When you face uncertainty, new job, relationship, health issues, major decisions, God has already surveyed the territory. Their job isn't to figure everything out. It's to follow. The fog isn't going away because Joshua has better eyesight. It's clearing because God is moving ahead of him.
Psalm 121:1-2.
I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills. My help cometh from the Lord. Help is not far away. Your help comes from the Creator of heaven and earth. This is one of the most personal psalms. Key points. I lift my eyes to the mountains. In ancient Israel, mountains represented both obstacles and the dwelling place of God. God's temple was on a mountain. The psalmist is acknowledging, this problem is big, but I'm looking towards something bigger. My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. The answer shifts perspective. The help doesn't come from the mountains. It comes from the God who made the mountains. Your viewers are often looking at their problems, mountains, when they should be looking at the Creator of their problems, Maker of heaven and earth. This reminds us that we're addressing the God of everything, not just our small crisis. The mountains don't solve your problem, but the God standing over the mountains, He can handle anything you're facing.
Isaiah 40:31.
But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. God can renew the strength you thought you had lost. They will soar on wings like eagles. This verse is about spiritual renewal, not instant solutions. Many people misread it as, God will immediately fix everything. Not quite. Points. Those who hope in the Lord, hope here means trust, waiting, expectation. It's active, not passive, wishful thinking. Will renew their strength. This word, renew,
means to exchange or replace. God doesn't TD your strength. He replaces your worn out strength with His own.
God can renew the strength you thought you had lost. Share this with someone who needs hope today. Type Amen if this verse encouraged you. Thanks for watching.